In this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step how I replaced and upgraded my lamp on my JVC NX7. I'll show you how to replace the lamp, and then we'll show you at the end of the video some more before and after footage showing what it looked like before we replaced the bulb and after we replaced the bulb. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to first go into the menu of the JVC. And then we're going to hit to the left to go to the information. And as you can see right here, we have 1,618 hours on my lamp. So let's go ahead and get the lamp replaced. We'll come back and show you some before and after footage to see if and how much difference it makes in the brightness and the image quality. All right, now the first thing you want to do is make sure that the projector not only is turned off, but go ahead and unplug it from the wall as well. So here we have the JVC NX7. So this door, this access panel, will be on the right side if you're looking from the rear. If you're looking from the front, it'll be on the left side. So we'll first remove this screw right here. It's gonna be a little hard for you guys to see. All right, so we'll lay that screw off to the side, and then this door just slides down and then out. We'll lay that off to the side as well. So inside here, you'll see two screws. We've got one down here at the bottom left and one at the top right. I'm gonna grab a longer screwdriver. And again, you guys may not be able to see this, but it's simply just two screws. Loosen that one, and then we'll loosen this top right one. Once those are loosened up, we've got two little handles right here. We can just grab that and slide that entire unit straight out, just like that. And we'll take the new lamp housing, slide it right in, just like that, all the way to the front. Just want to get it lined up like that. And then we'll just tighten down those two screws. We'll do the top right one. And our new housing is installed. I'm just going to check both of these, make sure they're nice and snug. Everything's good. Take the cover, slide it back on, grab our little screw. That took all of about 2 minutes. Tighten it down. We'll go ahead and plug this back in and get it turned back on. So we have the JVC turned back on. The next thing we're gonna do is go into the menu and we're gonna hit left again. And so here you can see that the projector doesn't know that we swapped out a bulb and replaced it, and so it still shows 1,618 hours, so we need to reset that timer. So we're going to hit left again, come all the way down here to lamp reset, hit OK. It's going to say, are you sure you want to reset it? So we'll hit left and then OK. And now if we hit the back button and go to the right, we can see that our lamp time is set to 0 hours. So we can exit the menu. All right, so up at the top, you can see the original lamp is much darker than the new lamp at the bottom. I've just overlaid these, tried to align them as best as I can. And so you can see the differences in the color as well as the overall brightness of it. So it's definitely a significant improvement having a new lamp installed. Now, one thing I didn't realize is that by adding a new lamp, even here you can see her skin tone looks a lot more natural on the bottom than it does on the top. Because it's darker, you kind of lose those colors. So I thought that was pretty interesting. In this clip, you can see the snow really is almost a dark gray versus a bright white. And so down at the bottom, you can see it's just, again, more natural looking color. And it's interesting because over time, your projector bulb decreases in its luminance value, and you don't even realize it because it's such a subtle change. But once you're able to put them side by side, you realize just how much difference it makes having a fresh and new bulb. And so one of the benefits of the new projectors that have the lasers versus the lamps is that you get 20,000 hours on the lamp, and for the most part they don't decrease in brightness over time. But if you have a projector bulb and it's got probably 1,500 hours or more, I definitely would consider looking at replacing that bulb. I'll have the link to the folks at projectorscreens.com. You can reach out to them and get a bulb replacement for your lamp. Definitely don't recommend getting the knockoff lamps because it's just not going to provide the same quality and the colors and the accuracy that a manufactured bulb is going to produce. Now I'll have some links down in the description below for some projectors that I recommend if you're looking to upgrade your projector or buy your first projector. As always, you guys be blessed, and we'll catch you in the next video.